Welcome to the 2026 Mid-America Truck Show. I'm Brady with Badass Custom Truck Parts. Brand new for Matt's 2026, we have our 589 front fenders, available in two different lengths, 91 inch and 99 inch, along with three different sidewall options, 3.5, 4.5, and on display today, 7.5. We also have here at Matt's 2026 our Project One double hump rear fiberglass fenders, featuring a 38 inch drop and our hidden mounting system. Here we have our fiberglass T-bumper, available with integrated light boxes and stainless steel inserts. Next to it, we have our Highboy full fender set, available with a hidden mounting system and a 38 inch drop. We're here at booth 16061. Hope to see you at the Mid-America Truck Show.